Good morning. The best greetings to you. Dear learners, I hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well, and today you all are again welcome in my online class. Dear learners, this is Inayat Hossain Khan, English teacher, Lakshmi Narayan Cotton Mills High School, Narayanganj Sadar. Let's start today's class. Dear learners, today we will start from completing item 5, use of provided slash provided that slash providing that, যার বাংলা অর্থ যদি. For example, the plane will take off in time provided weather is good. Look, normally present indefinite tense is used. Write down the note. Normally present indefinite tense is used here after provided that or providing that. That's one is important note. Write down please. Normally present indefinite tense is used after provided slash provided that slash providing that. Dear learners, look at the formation. Future indefinite tense plus provided or provided that slash providing that plus present indefinite tense. I hope you understood the formation, and this rule is very important for your exam. Very often we get a sentence on this rule. Dear learners, let's see the next slide. Completing item 6, use of lest. He walks fast lest he should slash might reach in time. Dear learners, write down the structure please. Assertive sentence plus lest plus subject plus should or might plus base form of the verb. I wrote here in shortcut way V1 and extension. That's the formation of use of lest. So write down it very carefully in your exercise copy, and let's see. Complete the sentences. He ran away fast lest. You can easily solve it. Lest he should miss the bus, for example. So, dear learners, do it by yourself, and if you have any types of opinion or any types of problem, then don't forget to inform me in the comment box. Let's see the next slide. Completing item 7, use of unless. Unless you work hard, you will fail. Let's see. complete the following sentences. By using this formation, easily you can complete these all sentences. For example, unless you work hard, you will fail. Say the next part, next clause, the incomplete part, here we use future indefinite tense. And another thing you should be remembered, unless it's a negative word. সুপ্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীবৃন্দ, আমরা বলতে পারি যে আনলেস নিজেই একটি নাবোধক শব্দ, তাই আনলেস যুক্ত অংশে কখনো নো, নট এই ধরনের নেগেটিভ শব্দ যুক্ত হবে না। লেটস সি দ্য নেক্সট স্লাইড। Use of till/until. Formation. Given clause with till/until plus an affirmative sentence in present indefinite form. Write down, dear learners, given clause with till/until plus an affirmative sentence in present indefinite form. I hope you have written. Let's see. Wait until the rain stops. Wait until the rain stops. Easily we can complete these types of sentence by using this formation. I hope you understood. And complete these sentences by yourself. And I am again telling, don't forget to give comment in comment box. Completing item 9, use of as long as. Formation. Dear learners, please be attentive and write down the formation in your exercise copy. Given clause with as long as plus an affirmative sentence. Wait here as long as I come back. Look at the formation, given clause with as long as. So here, wait here as long as, this one is the given clause, and then an affirmative sentence. We wrote here an affirmative sentence. I come back. This one is affirmative sentence. So by using this formation, we can easily solve the other incomplete sentences in this rule. Like, Allah will be with us as long as we pray. As long as we pray. So, in that way you can complete the other sentences. Dear learners, read attentively these all rules. Dear learners, I hope you understood all rules of today's class and you will practice it at your home. And please take care of you. Don't go outside. Stay home. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.